Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove a member from your group on Snapchat. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So basically removing a member on Snapchat is not is not normal, is not like as direct as other messaging app, but rather it's different actually. So first of all, you're going to launch Snapchat. Now from Snapchat, you're going to go to the site and then you're going to scroll a little bit up until you can find these options. From these options, you're going to click on the second option from the left because it's going to show you all the groups. And let's say I'm going to go into this group, my friends group, okay? Now once I'm into the friends group, I'm going to click on the name. And now from the name, as you can see, you can find all the members that are in the group. So what you're going to do, let's say I want to remove this guy, I'm going to click on him for a long time, and then as you can see, you can find something called remove from group. If I click on it, it's going to tell me if you do actually want to remove that person from the group. You're going to click remove, and they're going to be removed from the group. So yeah, guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.